Wow, welcome once again. And let's talk about Robinhood listening. Now, recently, a lot of people have been asking Robinhood to list Terra Classic coin. There's been a petition people have been signing in order to mount pressure on Robinhood to list Terra Classic coin. Now, about 8,505 petition has been signed to Robinhood listing Terra Classic coin, and the target is 10,000 signatures, and I believe 8,505 is amazing. This is simply show that a lot of people actually people want to see Robinhood partnering with Terra Classic coin, and as we know, very soon we'll be seeing also Coinbase getting a massive kind of pressure from the community to also list this coin. Already people are mounting pressure on Coinbase to list this coin. But Robinhood, I can see that very soon, I believe the developers, the founders will be looking at this. About 8,505 petitions have been signed. I mean, it's amazing. And I believe that with the way things are going for Terra Classic, right now that this coin is actually doing well, not really doing bad, and people are actually pumping in money. The market cap is really increasing, and I believe so many exchanges want to take the advantage to at least work more and partner with Terra Classic, especially exchanges that have not listed this coin, especially now that Terra Classic is on demand. People are actually buying this coin, and I believe Robinhood might be considering listing Terra Classic coin soon. Okay, consider that this coin is not that Terra Classic is doing bad at the moment, but Terra Classic is actually doing well at the moment. And I believe that the founders of this Robinhood might be considering listing Terra Classic, and it's going to be amazing because it's also help the bonding of Terra Classic to increase. It will help the market cap to increase, and I hope to see this coin start pumping, start hitting a massive increase in price. Now, Robinhood is one of the biggest companies, and we all know that. Yes, companies like Robinhood, Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, Kucoin, Get.io, these companies, these exchanges can help push a particular coin to massively increase in price. Let's keep hoping before the end of the year to see what will be happening with crypto industry, especially the Terra Classic. And I hope to see BTC, Bitcoin, the king of all crypto coins, hitting over at least $50,000 before the end of the year. And I hope that before the end of 2025, Bitcoin might be hitting over $100,000. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.